If you care about the look of your home screen, then on the Redmi Y2 you will find a lot of options to customize the home screen. You get the widgets where you can add and place some shortcuts on the home screen to faster access for any of the applications, and also you get the transition effects we can set on the home screen layout, and also you can choose the fill empty cells and lock down the home screen layout, which not allow any third-party applications to place on the home screen. And also you can choose the show memory status, which will show you the RAM left for the users. So these are the options to customize the home screen layout on the Redmi Y2, and also you can choose between a lot of wallpapers which present on the Miui wallpapers too. The Redmi Y2 comes with a taller 18:9:6" IPS LCD display having HD plus resolution. Now asking for the colors on the display is really good, and also the sunlight visibility is really impressive on the display. Now going further into the display setting, you'll find the adaptive brightness setting, and also you can play with the reading mode and also change the intensity of the light you want, and you can also schedule this thing whenever you want the reading mode on and off. Now going further, you'll find the contrast and colors where you can choose between the warmer tone, standard and the cooler tone. Now going further, you will find the automatic brightness setting, automatic contrast setting. So these are the options present on the display setting, and also you can choose between the text size you want on the screen. Now going further, you'll find the double tap to wake up option for the Redmi Y2. So these are the options present on the display settings. Now guys, if you want more new themes, then also you can download these themes from the Mi theme store. Redmi Y2 comes with the on-screen navigation buttons, and also you can customize this thing by going into the settings, going to the full screen display mode. There you'll find the mirror buttons. So this allow you to change the position of the navigation keys on screen, and also you can choose the full screen gesture support, which will allow you to use the Redmi Y2 with gesture like the iPhone X and the OnePlus X. And also the gesture support on the Redmi Y2 works pretty fine. There is no issue, no glitches on the gesture support, and you don't need the navigation buttons anymore. So guys, if you like to use the navigation button, also you can turn on the thing, but I like the navigation gesture on the Redmi Y2. And also comment down below if you use the navigation gesture on your device or still use the navigation keys. On the Redmi Y2 you'll also find an option to customize the notification tray. Now going further into the settings, going into the notification and status bar, you'll find an option to change the toggle position which you want to use from the notification tray, like turning on the mobile data, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth and the torch. So guys, this is really helpful. Now going further, you'll find an option to show the notification icons, show the connection speed, show the carrier name and the notification set. Also you can choose the battery percentage graphically or percentage. Also you can choose the edit the carrier name. In terms of connectivity, the Redmi Y2 comes with dual SIM card slot, and both of the slots support 4G VoLTE network. Now also going to the Wi-Fi, you will find the Wi-Fi assistant. This allows the device connection to shift between the Wi-Fi and mobile data wherever it finds better connection speed. So guys, this is the feature you find on all of the Honor or Huawei power devices named as the Wi-Fi bridge option. Now going further into the personal hotspot, there you get the best part. You can allow a limited number of devices to connect with the personal hotspot, or you can also choose any of the devices or block the devices, and you can choose the unlimited option to connect with the personal hotspot of the Redmi Y2. So guys, these are the options you will find on the Redmi Y2. Now going further, you will find the wireless display settings, which allow to cast the 6-inch display on a bigger wireless display. And also you can share your network with using the Bluetooth tethering option present on the Redmi Y2. This is the option you will find all of the iOS devices or the iPhones. So guys, these are the connectivity options you will find on the Redmi Y2. In terms of security, the Redmi Y2 comes with a fingerprint sensor as well as the software-based face unlock feature, which allows the camera to map your face and unlock the device rapidly. It is not as fast as the OnePlus 6 or the Honor 10, but you get this option in a budget Android device, which is really nice. Now also the device unlocks rapidly whenever the screen lights up. There is no delay in time, and it is really fast for a budget Android device. Now also you can unlock any application or lock down any application using the fingerprint sensor. So guys, these are some little add-ons or security reasons you will find on the Redmi Y2, which makes the device superior. Now going further, you will also find the privacy protection password. So guys, this is like the iCloud method. Whenever your device got stolen or you lost your device, You can also lock down the device that no one able to use whenever they get the device. Now using the Miui account, you can also use the privacy protection password. Now you will also find an option to wake up the screen using the volume buttons. So guys, these are some little features present on the Redmi Y2 which is really nice. Now also you can launch the camera applications by pressing the volume up button or volume down button twice. So these are the features like you find on the Honor EMUI 8.1. Now going into the advanced setting, you'll also find the pocket mode, unlock the device with Bluetooth, and also lock down all of the notification or hide any sensitive notification from the lock screen. So guys, these are the all security features present on the Redmi Y2 to protect your device. The best and unique feature you'll find on the Redmi Y2 is the second space option. So guys, if you want to hide all of your sensitive notifications, messages, photos and also the call records from your family and friends, then you can enter into the second space. It is like the guest mode available on all of the Android devices but using the fingerprint ID. So guys, using and switching between the second space is really easy on the Redmi Y2. There is no lag and also this is like a security feature on the Redmi Y2. And switching between the normal default user and the guest mode or the second space is really easy on the device. Now with the Miui 9.5.2 custom Android skin on top of Android Oreo on the Redmi Y2, you'll find a lot of additional feature like the quick ball. So guys, using the quick ball, you can go back, lock down the home screen, going into the menu option, going into the multitasking key and take a screenshot. So these are really additional short feature you find on the Redmi Y2 with the additional settings. Now going into the button and gesture support, now double tap or double press the power button allow you to launch the camera, which you already seen before, and these are really good feature. And also I guess these features are taken down from the EMUI 8.1. Now swiping down with the three fingers, it will take a screenshot, which we also find on the OnePlus 6 and the Honor 10. So guys, I guess all of these feature you find on the Miui 9.5 or the OnePlus 6 Oxygen OS. These are taken down from the EMUI 8.0 or the 5.1, because Honor or Huawei power devices always do this kind of customization options on their devices. And I think all of the Chinese manufacturers are copying down the EMUI skin on their own skin. So comment down below what do you think about this feature. And also I'm putting down the link for the EMUI 8.1 feature that you can resemble with, and also get to know that all of the feature you'll find on the Redmi Y2 or the OnePlus 6 are taken down from the EMUI 8.1. So guys, switching between apps and also using the double window is really easy on the Redmi Y2, and the display on this thing is really good. So the additional feature on the Redmi Y2 makes the device even more special. Now going further into the menu, we can also show the menu and apps tray. Now going further, automatically disable application whenever you turn on any of the third-party application, which will give you more space or for the 6-inch display. Now also you'll find the notification LED, which is a white LED on the Redmi Y2. There is no multicolor LED, but you get a tiny little white LED present on the top. Now going further, you'll find the headphone option. Now whenever you connect a headphone via the 3.5mm headphone jack, you'll find a lot of equalizer option and headphone settings to get better sound effect from the 3.5mm headphone jack from the Redmi Y2. Also you'll find the 100 UI mode on the Redmi Y2, which is really useful when you are not able to reach on the top of the display. And also you'll find the accessibility option where you get the color inversion, which makes the device looks cool and darker mode on the device. Now going further, you will add printers on the device, and also you can choose the backup and reset option. Now going further into the Mi Mover, if you have an older Mi device, you can transfer all of the files and data to the newer one using the Mi Mover. Now as the Redmi Y2 runs on Android Oreo 8.1, you'll also find an option like Google Play Protect. It will scan and verify each and every application whenever you install from Play Store and check if the application is healthy for your device or not. So guys, this is a really cool feature you'll find on the Redmi Y2. Now if you have two accounts on a single networking site like Facebook, Instagram, WhatsApp or any of the third-party social networking site, you can use the dual app feature on the Redmi Y2 and run two accounts on a single device. The Redmi Y2 launched in China having the option for picture-in-picture mode for each and every third-party application, but the Redmi Y2 launched in India don't support each and every application in the picture-in-picture mode. But for now, the Google Maps is working, and also watching videos on the Chrome browser using the picture-in-picture mode is possible on the Redmi Y2. The Redmi Y2 announced in India with 3GB and 4GB RAM variant. Now if you find any type of lag or glitches on your device, just enter into the security application. There you'll find an option to clean the cache files, which improve the multitasking and the RAM management on the Redmi Y2. Having the Snapdragon 625, definitely the battery optimization is really good. Having a 3080 mAh battery, it can live up to 1 day. Now going further, if you want more battery life, just turn off the GPS and turn on the battery saver option. So guys, the optimization option present on the Redmi Y2 is really impressive in this budget price range. So guys, these are the usual feature you'll find with the Miui 9.5.2 on the Redmi Y2, and also the Redmi Y2 you will surely get the Miui 10 update in future. So guys, these are the all feature you'll find on the Redmi Y2, and if you find this video helpful, then definitely place a like below, subscribe to our channel and follow me on Facebook. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.